Hi, in this short clip, I will teach you how to save videos on Facebook for later view. Possibly, sometimes you are scrolling past posts on Facebook and you saw a video you are out to watch, but you are very busy to check the video out. So I will teach you how to save the video, then come back to it later when you are less busy. Or sometimes you are watching the video and the video is somehow much and you want to do something at that particular time, so no problem, just save the video and you will come back to it later. Before you can do that, the first thing is to get your Facebook app, and I hope many of us would have Facebook app, but if you don't have, just type in Facebook here, then you search. And this is Facebook. I've already installed it on my phone. Just open it. If you just install, if you don't have, and you open it, so just come to the video you want to save. Let's see, this is my profile and I have a video I want to save here. So this is the video I want to save. Let's just say I'm watching this video. Let's click on the video and I'm watching this video. You can just pause immediately. So just pause the video immediately and you come to this three horizontal button. Just click on it, and after clicking on it you have your save videos and all. So just tap on your save video. So you have already saved your video. In order to come back later to watch your video, so just come to this side, to these three horizontal buttons also, then you come to your saved. This is your saved here, then you click on your saved, and after clicking on your saved, it will bring the list of your saved videos here. And have you seen it? So this is the video, so you can just click on the video and watch anytime you like. If you love this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Thanks.